MIDI Input Display here in Pro Tools, man. Let's check it out. So whenever I play a chord here, as soon as I complete that chord, I get that input display right up here. Now you won't get that unless you turn it on, brother. So use your drop down right there. Come on down here. MIDI input display. If that's not checked and I play a chord, you get nothing. All right. So if you want to see the chords that you're inputting, MIDI input display, just choose it right there. And now you can just start messing around playing some chords. You can just kind of start messing around and see what's a chord and what isn't. It's a great learning tool. It's a great composition tool. You know, if you're playing certain chords and then you're going to go back and lay down your bass part, you know, and follow along with your chords, this is a good way to sort of remember exactly what what you played while you're while you're playing it in. So just mess around with it. Find some cool chords to play and use that MIDI input display here in Pro Tools to see exactly what you're playing.